Welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria, right? Don't forget, like, we ship everywhere. I told you about that before now. Okay, I want to show you this real quick. Like, everybody say, oh, come on, show us something we can use for his face mask. And I think of, okay, what will I show these guys today? And I said, okay, let me show them this Sinky Cool Extra. Look at it. Boom. Look at it. It's almost about 5 kg or 4 kg. All right? If you wouldn't mind, look at it very well. You see this, and let me tell you how you use it, right? You use this and then you apply your face area, like when you avoid the eyes, your nose, and your mouth, and you let it stay for 15 minutes, and after that you wash. And trust me, and see how you're gonna look like a newborn baby. Boom! Like a newborn baby. I tell you, we everywhere. We global, all right? Not like a lady just order for this after she used it, and then she found out that this is the secret to her beauty, and then she keep buying this. So that's why I said, okay, let me do a video on this one now. So look at it. With this, you look younger. Keep using this. Yes, Sinky Cool Extra. Keep using this. You will enjoy and you look younger. All right? Very easy to use. Very easy. I tell you, return. Let's say again, what is it? That it contains natural white clay, which removes the dirt and impurity from the skin. Oops! Look at it. So go for this. We say Sinky
Access Bank.
Yes, Sinky Cool Extra. So go for this. Don't forget, next time when you always pop up in this station, make sure you copy the link and give to other people so that they can subscribe. Bye bye.